how we doing? What do you say today we run this 925 all piped up, ready to roar? We're doing the next level of testing. So we got a brand new chain on a 28-inch bar. We got that dirt bike exhaust all bolted on there and everything. But we're still running regular old gas, 93 octane, mixed 40 to 1. So, you know, let's see what happens. I didn't take it to alcohol yet. I decided, you know, let's see what happens, you know, through the steps, you know. So let's see what she does on just regular old gas. Hopefully it don't blow up on me in this. Say, you want to say hi, Levy? You want to say hi? Look, hi. Wave. Wave. Come here, wave. There you go. Yeah, what do you say? We give her a try. See what this old Homelite 925 Super XL-925 82 cc's on a dirt bike exhaust system. She's ported the snot out of it, and let's see what she does with this exhaust. You know, before we take it to alcohol. I have a feeling alcohol might take it over the top, so let's at least see what it does at this level. Alrighty, so here we go. Alright, so what do you think about that? I think that 925 runs pretty good with that setup. Like, so good. Like, I might need to build one of these like this just to run it like that. Like, I really like the way this saws runs just with the pipe. You get the effect, but you're not worrying about burning up your saw. You know, I like it like that. Now, I am having one problem. I'm getting spit back into carb. So, my reeds might not be stiff enough, I'm thinking. I might need to get a stiffer reed. But it's close enough that I'm going to continue. And, you know, we'll explore that option on further down the road. But right now, yes, I do believe we're going to need to get some stiffer reeds. You can buy reed material in different thicknesses and then make your own reeds, and I'm probably going to have to explore that down the road. Now, it is an aftermarket reed cage in that saw, so it'll be easy to modify later down the road. We just got to get the right material, get something a little stiffer, you know. But I'm pretty pleased with the way this saw's running. How about you? So I do think I might need a bigger sprocket for this saw. I am on the 7-pin right now. You can easily take an 8-pin. I know I could get it to an 8-pin, probably, maybe even possibly a 9 or a 10-pin. But right now it is running a 7. So I think one of the next things we're going to have to do is take it to an 8-pin for certain and continue on from there. What do you say we give this saw a couple of test runs as it is before we take it to alcohol? Because right now, boy, I really like it. And I wanna run it a little bit like this before I take it up, you know? See if she can handle it before we take it to the alcohol. Why not? You know? If it can handle it at this level, and then we take it to alcohol and it blows up, well, at least we know we can take it to this level, right? So let's give it some good tests on this one and see what she does. But I really like the way that saw sounds, don't you? She's got that nice... She sounds like a dirt bike. She's got a nice sound to it. So, hey, we'll catch you on the next one. All right, later.